Good evening everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Maz and today I'll be showing you how to swap your plastic paddles to metal ones on your Jaguar or Land Rover. Now, spoiler alert, this car already has its metal paddles fitted, these red ones here. Originally it had silver plastic, earlier ones had the bronze, the later ones came with either black plastic, silver plastic, or you can upgrade to silver metal or red metal. In my case, I went for red metal. That being said, I have got some clips of me swapping them over. It is actually a very simple procedure. So if you look over here, there's a little torque screw in there. It's a T20, and all you have to do is get your T20 torque piece in there, twist it, loosen it, and then take it off, unclip it, and then reverse the entire process with the new paddle. However, I did not use my personal torque set as there was not enough leverage for the steering wheel. So instead, I went to Autobase in Chipping Sodbury, borrowed their ratchet style torques and did the process. Interestingly, it took 4 minutes to switch them from the plastic to the metal each side. To get them both done will take no longer than 10 minutes. Just make sure you have enough leverage here and leave the paddle into the 1 o'clock position, so maybe turn the wheel to have the paddle here, but obviously I've got the clip showing you how it's done. Here's what they look like from behind the wheel. They sort of look like horns. They're actually a little bit taller on the top and a little bit shorter on the bottom. They don't overhang this way as much as the plastic ones. And you even have the plus and the minus symbols cut out. They're also in a nice anodized finish, which makes it even more upmarket, and also more or less matches with the red accents of the interior. And for the record, let's start this car. Put it into drive, sport. There we go. Pull down. 1, 2, 3. So yep, these paddles work perfectly fine. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me swap the plastic paddles over to the metal ones. I hope it motivates you to do some work on your particular Jaguar or Land Rover. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to stay up to speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!